number 2, go to for Feel Fab in 5. You can see my little OCD creeping in. For Feel Fab in 5, it's rolling wave cat curls. So here, tuck your toes underneath. Extend your arms a little longer. Good. Allow your pelvis with your sits bones to broaden as your pelvis floats above your heels. Your bottom ribs are lifted. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, feel the pelvis rolling underneath you as you slinky through your spine all the way, and then drag your pelvis back over your feet. Breathing in. Exhale as you roll through. Beautiful length. And drag your pelvis back to your feet. 2 more. Roll. This is so yummy. And drag the pelvis back to your feet. And roll through.